In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly move a mind map tree in Draw.io while using it within Confluence or Jira. Now, mind mapping is a powerful tool for organizing information, and sometimes you'll need to reposition parts of your tree to better suit your needs or to clarify your structure. So, let's dive into the steps to do this efficiently. First, you'll need to have your diagram open in Draw.io within Confluence or Jira. Once you have your diagram loaded up and ready to go, locate the mind map tree that you would like to move. This could be any branch or specific node that you feel needs repositioning to enhance the clarity or layout of your diagram. Next, focus on the specific part of the mind map that you want to adjust. To do this, simply click on a node or branch within your mind map. Ensure that you are selecting the exact section you wish to reposition. This is important for maintaining the integrity of your mind map as you move things around. Once you've selected the node or group of nodes, it's time to drag them to their new location. Click and hold down the mouse button on your selected nodes and then drag them smoothly to where you want them on the canvas. This is your chance to visually arrange your mind map in a way that makes the most sense for your current needs or project understanding. Once you're satisfied with the new position, release the mouse button to drop the nodes into place. For those of you seeking finer control over the new position, your keyboard's arrow keys can be incredibly handy. After you've selected a node, gently nudge it into place using the arrow keys. This can be particularly useful if you just need to make small adjustments for aesthetic reasons or for better alignment within your document. Now, let's talk connectors. One of the great features of Draw.io is its ability to automatically adjust connectors when you move nodes. However, if you find that the connectors look a bit off after repositioning, you can easily adjust them yourself. Simply click and drag their endpoints to realign them to your satisfaction. To further enhance the layout, you might want to take advantage of the Arrange tools for a more polished look. Head over to the Arrange menu located on the top toolbar. Here you can choose layout options such as organic or hierarchical, which will automatically tidy up your mind map according to these styles after you've repositioned your nodes. Lastly, don't forget to save your changes. You can do this by clicking Save within Confluence or Jira, or you might rely on the autosave feature if you're comfortable with it handling this task for you. And there you have it, your newly adjusted mind map tree cleanly repositioned within Draw.io on Confluence or Jira.